Bakit ba big deal, Kuya Mark, ang quorum?
Quorum, hindi naman yan technical. It is a constitutional requirement. So, pag walang quorum, bakit kailangan ng quorum? Bakit importante ang quorum? Bakit big deal ang quorum? Because it protects representative legitimacy. Bakit kailangan i-protect ang representative legitimacy? Bakit? Kasi ang Congress, yung House of Senate and House of Representatives, they are the representative of the people. Nandyan sila kasi they represent the people. So therefore, kung walang quorum, hindi yan desisyon na nakakarami. Very, very clear. Ang purpose ng quorum under our Philippine Constitution is to protect representative legitimacy, to protect the principle of representation in a republican and democratic government sa ating Philippine democracy. So kung walang quorum, ibig sabihin, there is no proper representation ng taong bayan.
Speaking of proper representation, bakit, Kuya Mark, sa isang committee hearing, kailangan dapat may member ng minority na kahit isa lang bago sila makapag-constitute ng committee hearing?
Depende yan sa kanilang internal rules. That is the internal rules because the House of Senate and House of Representatives may have their own internal rules. Ang nakalagay lang sa ating saligang batas, kailangan in order to officially transact business, kailangan na may quorum, majority of all the members. Pero kung nakalagay doon, hindi lang quorum, kundi kailangan may representative sa majority, may representative sa minority, that is under the internal rules ng House of Senate and House of Representatives, and that is allowed provided that that internal rules is not inconsistent with the Philippine Constitution. Therefore, for example, ang internal rules nakalagay doon na kahit 12 lang, quorum na, hindi pwede yan. That is unconstitutional. Kasi ang ating saligang batas nakalagay doon na kailangan ang Congress, meaning House of Senate or House of Representatives, they may agree about rules, internal rules, kung paano nila mag-conduct ng hearing doon sa kanilang bahay sa House of Senate or House of Representatives, provided that yung kanilang internal rules consistent with the Philippine Constitution. And the Philippine Constitution requires quorum as a mandatory requirement.
Internal rules pala yung pag sa committee hearing, binibilang yung members present, yun na yung quorum.
Yun ang quorum.
Internal rules pala yun.
Oh, yes. So, hindi lang quorum, kundi kailangan may at least one
Member
of the minority. That is the internal rules. Bakit may kailangan na may minority? Kasi, sabi ng principle ng ating batas, there should be representative legitimacy. Kasi representative legitimacy, nag-conduct ng hearing ang senador o mga congressman, they are actually acting in representation ng taong bayan. So kailangan sundin po nila ang nakalagay na representative legitimacy as a principle ng ating saligang batas.
Thank you, Kuya Mark.